In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually get paid to read books. Something perhaps like maybe this one here, or even a book like this. There's lots of different websites which will pay you to go ahead and read books, and you can get paid pretty well for your time. So we'll look at a number of websites, like this one over here, where they pay up to $60 per review, or this website here, this one over here, or this one here. And I'll also drop a link below to a full article that I've wrote about earning money from reading books, because believe it or not, you can get paid to read books. It's simple, it's easy, and more importantly, it's 100% free to get started with. So let's go ahead and look at website number one. Okay, so this here is the first website, and it's called theonlinebookclub.org. Now, granted, this website, it looks a little bit dated and old, but it gets a hell of a lot of traffic over here. And not only that, there's many different ways where basically you can get, not only can you get access to free books, you can see here, we are not a bookstore, we do not sell books, we are a free online community for readers with all sorts of awesome free features and free tools for book lovers. So there's lots going on over on this website here. Now, previously, over on my blog, I did this over here, this article here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. It walks you through this whole process, basically, of how you can actually get paid to read books with the online book club. And I'll walk you through this whole process here. But basically, I'll just show you over here. On the website here, theonlinebookclub.org, you can get paid to review books completely for free. So this is how it works. So you are given a selection of books to choose from. Those books are all free for you in exchange for a review. After your first approved review, you will be eligible to get the paid reviews too. And you can see on here, look, there's never any cost to you. This is, sorry, let me get rid of this. This is completely free to you. And this, as a reviewer, and payouts currently range between $5 and $60. So you can actually earn up to $60 per review. So over in the UK, that's about £50. So it's pretty good, literally. And you're getting paid for, not only are you going to get access to a free book, you're also going to get, new books which are maybe not out in the public, or they're going to be released soon. So you can go ahead and check this out and literally have a read of this article here, because I'll walk you through the whole process, and there's also a video on here as well. So that there is website number one, and it is called theonlinebookclub.org. So let's move on to website number two. So let me get rid of this here, let me get rid of this, and we'll come on to here. This website is called reedsy.com. That's reedsy.com. And on here, you want to come over to where it says reviewers, and we'll scroll down here. Look, are you a passionate book reviewer? So come down here, look, basically you can earn money while doing what you love. Come down here, look, read new books for free before anybody else. Hundreds of authors have submitted their books for discovery. As a reviewer, you have access to our submission pool and can read and review any books before they're launched. So, it's pretty cool, isn't it? You actually getting to see it and read a book before it's launched to the public. Not only that, you can also earn some money from doing so. If I come down here, look, you're helping authors launch their books on discovery. Your review will go live on the author's launch day, when it will be exposed to thousands of readers in your genre. The most upvoted books from each week will be featured on our homepage and also in weekly letters. So you see here, these authors who have gone ahead and, put their books on here, they want you to review their books for them, because obviously the more reviews they get, the higher up, in the rankings are going to be. And once they go higher up, then, their aim is, they do want to be featured in weekly newsletters and homepages of websites like this, because it means more exposure for them. If I scroll further on the page here, you can see on this website here, you complete your profile and build your brand. And then come further on the page here, look, get rewarded for your work. And it says here, when readers enjoy your work, they can send you $1, $3, or $5 your way. These small thank yous can help you earn money from your reading addiction / passion. Come down here, and literally there's an application process. All you do is you click on here and literally just go through and fill all of this information in here. And then once you get to the bottom, you literally just confirm this, and then you can start going ahead and reviewing books. So this website here, it's called reedsy.com. The next website I'm going to share with you is this one over here. This is called booklistonline.com. It looks very similar to the online book club that we looked at previously. Now, if we scroll down here, you can also not only get paid to read books on this website, but you can also get paid to write for them. So all of the information here, it's literally just on the homepage. When you go on here, it talks about, how you get involved, what you need to do, etc., etc. And then it goes down to payment, and you can see here, look, Booklist pays $15 for each review. So in the UK, that's at the current rate about £11. And you're paid for a review once that review is published in the magazine online. So again, people are wanting you to go ahead and read their books and things, give them a review, you get paid for it, they get exposure. It's pretty much a win-win for everyone. So look, don't think, by the way, I forgot to mention, in terms of this is just a side hustle. This isn't going to, make you hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month. It's just, if you're passionate about reading books and, you can give someone a review for that, it's just a nice little simple way to earn some extra money doing something that you enjoy. If you want more ways to make money online, just go over to my blog, Not Taught at School. There's hundreds of different methods that I share in here. I've got a members area and lots more. So I've come back over here. This one here was called booklistonline.com. The last website I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and it is called the Wellesley Centres for Women. Now, if you come over here, you can see up here, look, women's review of books. So basically, you can go ahead, a very similar story to what we've looked at so far in this video. You're literally looking at books and you're getting paid to review them. Now, over on this website here, they do have some different criteria to the other ones. And if you want to learn more about this, then you come up over here where you just literally come over to About Us and you click on Contact, and then it just tells you here what you need to do. So, but basically for this one here, you've got to email them and then, tell them that you're interested in becoming a reviewer, and they will go through and tell you what the requirements are over on this website. But that today is just a couple of different websites that you can get paid. Simple, easy and free. So we've looked at this one here, this one, this one, this one as well. But basically, out of all of them from previous research, the online book club is probably the best one for you, just because they pay up to $60 per month. They also have free prizes. You can see on here, $1,000 per month in prizes via our free daily sweepstakes and lots more. So as I've mentioned, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. It walks through the online book club, how much you can earn, you're getting paid to proofread and lots more. But overall, simple, easy, and a nice little side hustle, getting paid for doing something that you actively, enjoy doing. So yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. Leave a comment down below if you've found any other websites which will pay you to read books. I'd be interested to, know more about them. But overall, simple, easy, and it's free to get started with. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.